This burger has chicken chunks in it. Looks so good. Good morning, everyone. So I was just working on this one video. I have a series of my room transformation video coming up. So before that, I have to upload some shopping and other haul videos before that. So I was working on that because I uploaded the first look of Halloween, which is this one, King of Hearts. I have uploaded this and I have made so many other looks. Plus, I also made Korean music video inspired videos as well. So currently it is 3 p.m. and why I am starting this video with my voice so late, because there's this machine work, heavy machine work going on around in my building. So it's really hard because बहुत शोर आता है. I was like, I don't want you guys to bear what I'm hearing. You guys hear? ये तो अभी बहुत noise reduce करने के बाद आपको आवाज़ इस तरह की अच्छी आएगी. Otherwise it's really tough. It's tough to edit. Little tea break. Guys, I was just crafting and I also rewatched a video that I have to upload right now. So I'm just gonna finish uploading that. Then I have these printouts. I told you guys about it in my previous videos that I ordered in like pink wall collage pictures. I selected the pictures, I made the Pinterest board and I uploaded them and pasted them on the Word document and then sent it out for print. I have the envelope right now, I just have to open it. So I'm going to be showing it to you guys after I upload the YouTube video. Yeah, I was just doing some DIYs and crafts. I made this jewelry tray. Then I also DIY'd a cover, like the phone case. So that is a really cool thing. Let me show you guys the phone case. It looks really good. You guys, this is the phone case. Looks so pretty. It has sparkles. I absolutely love it. So I just added this bow charm to my nail and I was like, it looks really pretty, but it keeps getting stuck in my hair, and that is, see, it just happened again and it's annoying me to a whole new level because, hey, see, it looks so pretty, but why do you do this? It gets stuck all the time. Anyways, I just got done uploading the YouTube video. Now we can start with our wall collage with the pink prints. I have all of them in here. Let's open and see. I had them in like different sizes, so you know, like I could make an actual collage from it. So excited. I really wish that this one print करा उसने छेड़ नहीं दिया because I just saw something wrong. Okay, let me show you all. Here are all the prints. In this pink aesthetic girl in some glasses, a phone case cover, famous Rode lip product, and this cute girl. This is so cute. I ordered in a cat that looks exactly like my cat. Vintage retro phones, like the telephones. Then I have Blackpink, like the famous concert, some heels, and also have a Barbie. I think it's a makeup product, but it looks really cool. But it looked really cool to me, so I have it. It's also a keychain. Next, I ordered in like just one picture of myself because I didn't want to send like too many pictures of myself. But yeah, so I ordered this picture of myself, another cute pink heel set, and two of my favorite characters from Wings, Bloom, and I absolutely love Lisa. She's my favorite character and she looks so pretty and it had like pink in it. So I was like, okay, we can go with it. So okay, I just ordered this car. I don't know which car it is because I don't know anything about cars, but have this. The next is like the CD player wala heart. This I ordered a bow, and the other one says just a girl guy when he was very small. I have a picture of him and another bow. Pink heart ones. Flora, she looked really pretty and so I picked her, and a very cute bow. A very cute bear. Miss Aesthetic, beautiful, gorgeous makeup brand. Some other makeup brands with like the light pink shade. Some glasses. Favorite movie of all time from the Barbie genre. I absolutely love Barbie and the Fairy Secret. And so I picked this one. I loved this movie. I have watched this movie like a gazillion times. I'm not even joking. Okay, then I have like some roses, my favorite, and a tiara. I love tiaras and crowns. It's a crown actually. And another Barbie movie scene, like the pendants. Barbie Princess Charm School, another one of my favorites. But like Barbie Fairy Secrets just tops it. Okay, then I have two of these, like pretty ice cubes. वाला जो trend आया था जो butterflies and दूसरे shapes so try करी इसलिए. Then I have from the Mermaidia, Alina, and the other one. Ooh, my favorite character, Raquel. She's my spirit animal, guys. Raquel from the Dream House. Then I said I really should be sleeping because that is a reminder I should give myself often because I compromise my sleep all the time. Then this character, I've heard that she's really cool. I haven't watched any of this, cartoon, but beautiful Stella in from the Tynix. Tynix, yeah. From the Dreamix era. I think it's Dreamix. And Dracula from Monster High. And some makeup again. Some makeup, some books, and a very pretty candle. The scene is so lit. And the last is Flora. I also ordered in like a poster of Gossip Girl, and I don't know why they didn't print it. Maybe because of some issue. I'm just doing the cutting. I am going to be watching her. She is my childhood YouTube beauty influencer. I love her, and I have been watching her ever since I think more than I was like, I definitely remember that I was like 10. I think I'm 10. I think I was just 10 or 11 years old. And I've been watching her since then. I absolutely love her. I respect her so much. She's Kelly Strack. It's currently 9 p.m. and I have been cutting these printouts since more than an hour, and I am so tired. My back is hurting again because these days my back is in so much pain because I lifted this really heavy furniture all by myself. I thought I was Wonder Woman or something. Anyways, I have all the cutouts. You guys see how pretty they look. I just love, and I would now like relax for a little while. I'm gonna make some hot tea for myself, and after that we can select the photo wall collage. There are some ideas now. I wanted the Gossip Girl one, but it's okay. These are some photo collage wall ideas. I really don't want to do like this kind of vibe because it's बहुत ज़्यादा simple and सीधा I don't want to do that. Something like this looks really good, and plus you guys see that above my mirror. So now I really want to do it here somewhere right between my canvases and there. Let's just see more ideas. Let's just see collage wall. Let's just search through this. Why did I search pink? What was I thinking? Here, see, this is so cool. Like this idea. Like I don't have this much space. Okay. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh wow, this is so cool. But I want something else. Here, look at this. I think I should go with the something like this. I think. Wait, let's go back. I think I should go with something like this. It is so cool. Like this. Let's just do this. It looks really cool. Let's do this. Hey guys, I'm thinking of doing this work a little later because I'm so tired, and I'm just gonna have some tea and watch some Netflix for a little while because I am dead tired. Currently 11 p.m. and I'm done this far. I think it looks pretty cool, correct? It looks really cool, but I just have to wait for tomorrow. Now I'm gonna finish it tomorrow. I just made myself some noodles and I'm gonna have my noodles now. Never mind, everyone. I'm just gonna watch Welcome to Waikiki because this is my favorite show. It's so funny. It's the best. I totally recommend you guys try this and watch this because comedy show to ever exist. I tell you guys that. इसमें हर episode में comedy होती है. Sad तो आप सोचे ही मत क्या होंगे. My noodles. I'm gonna have a little work break. I'm gonna make a to-do list for this week, and I'm also going to do some editing of this one video that I have to upload. So I am done planning the week. Why can't you guys see? Why is it flickering so much? Anyways, I made the theme pink again and I changed the cover as well. Plus, I'm definitely. Oh, you guys see, today is Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. So I'm going to fill out these. Just so दिन आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. So now I'm just going to go and do some editing. Finish editing as well, so I'm just going to have some chips and watch my series. I'm so done for the day, but still I have to make 2 thumbnails, so I'm going to sleep after that. Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful day. It's just that it is hot today, and last night it was also hot. I don't know why, because it's been 3 days it hasn't rained, and I love the rain. I woke up at around 10 a.m. in the morning, and I had my breakfast, a bowl of cereal. I'm gonna have tea later on. Finish this water jar as well. I take so many glasses of this, at least 3 to 4 a day, because otherwise I get dehydrated. So today's plans are to change my bed sheet. I have a sketch that I have to, like stick on that wall. Plus I have to finish this wall, and I have some cleaning to do. Plus, I really want to finish. I started this video like for my Instagram. It's a transition reel. It's on a K-pop music video. It's of 3 looks, and I'm done with the first look. I have to do the 2 looks that are left, and I have to finish the transition video because my university is starting in a week, and I have to get it done because otherwise university, because starts at back to school बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है काम, तो I try to focus on university as well. So I think I should film at least one. I'm gonna try my best to do 2 looks today, but my back is feeling better as well, so I feel like I can do it, but I'll just see what happens because it's hot and I do not like the hot weather and it just messes up my mood. But I'm going to try, be positive and sit back and just enjoy my work. It just has like a simple blue eyeshadow liner kind of moment. And for the last look, I have something glam. So I really want to do all of these things today. Okay guys, I am actually done with the first part and I think I should get ready here with you guys because why not? It's gonna help me wake up because I feel not alive right now. I first have to moisturize my lips. So hot. Plus, there's construction work going around in my apartment, like my building. So that is really insane because not sure कि मैंने window भी open नहीं की भी, like मैं वो भी open नहीं कर पा रही. So today I just have like some graphic liner moment, so I don't think I have to prime it that much. I don't need that much color in my eyes, so just to remove this dullness. I really should be fixing my sleep schedule because it's not taking me anywhere and I don't know how I'm gonna go to university with this kind of attitude. Using this Flormar blue eyeliner, it's really good, but I just have to concentrate while applying it because otherwise I poke my eye with it. You guys see how good it looks? Looks really good. Like the blue eyeliner waterline really makes the black and blue eyes pop. Washed my makeup brushes. And I'm gonna take a blue shade. I'm gonna try using this light blue if it shows up on my skin. Otherwise, we'll just take another shadow. I have to do it like this. It isn't showing up, of course. Okay, then let's use like another palette for it. Fortunate, but the entire process of me doing like basically my eyes till my eyelashes, the footage got deleted. It didn't get saved, and I always get so mad. Never just happens. Sometimes it happens like the footage isn't saved or it's not recording. It's like it's a habit for me now. Continuously keep on checking. Done with the look. I finished the reel as well. Plus, I am so happy now. My mood is all pumped up because the shoot was really good and the makeup turned out really good. Like you guys see, I added some sparkles to it because I felt like कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कुछ मिसिंग है लुक में ना. And since it's Korean, so I was like, why not add sparkles? They add sparkles in every look. So I was like, I like this look. I'm just wearing this shirt. I'm so tired. And maybe I'm just gonna do the second look as well. That's another thing. I did not have tea yet. It's almost 2 p.m. right now, and I am so. I really want tea, so I'm just gonna go have some tea. You guys, I'm in the middle of something. As you guys can see, I have rhinestones on my eyes, and I have this, like. And plus I also have some makeup under my eyes. It looks really bad right now. It's not blended. But I took a little lunch break. I relaxed myself. And now I'm back at work again. I'm doing the second look. It's purple look and it's like a heartbreak kind of symbol here. And this is so much work. Like, you see how tiny these gems are? I mean, it's really hard and I am getting so tired, but let's just get done. Entire hour I am done with this look and I feel so good because you guys see how this and this eye looks really different, but the makeup is same. It looks different because of the high impact of this purple eyeshadow against the maroon. Cleaned my room, I changed the bed sheet. I tell you, I am sweating. I cleaned the floors. Just have to mop now. And the other thing that I have to do is Skype knows it's currently 5 p.m. I am currently waiting for my mom to wake up because like the brush to clean like the carpet and the floors is in her room. So I have to wait for her to wake up and then I can do it. I really want some tea. I am craving tea. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या हंट कर रहे हो? मुझे हंट कर रहे हो? क्या? Guys, I am back and I'm free. I did my room. I cleaned everything, and I also have like a mat in my room now, like a carpet kind of rug. So that is really exciting because tomorrow I have a super exciting video to film. But right now my skin needs a little break. University is starting soon, so I have to take care of my skin as well. Okay, so I have some products right in front of me. Our skincare together. I have this tone up gel mask from Folklore. It looks like an egg fish and let's open it. I don't know how to open it. I've seen people use it, but I don't know. Should I just from here? I don't have anything to apply it with. What will I use? Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like fresh something. Headache. So whenever I have a headache, I look like this. I just have my pins on so I can concentrate. If I have any spatula to apply this with, I'm just gonna use like my fingers. Let's just do that. Oh, the egg broke. My skin definitely needs something right now because it's gonna die otherwise. The texture is so weird. I really like sheet masks. Sheet masks are my favorite thing to ever exist. My favorite skincare product, and I just love sheet masks. I'm making such a big mess over here with these long nails. My hands right now, and it's pretty dirty, but have I tried a gel mask before? I don't know. How long should I keep it for? Doesn't say anything on the packet. Feels good though. gonna wait for like 5 to 10. I'm just gonna wait for like 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. It's been 10 minutes and it's kind of like dried down now, but it's a little sticky. So I feel like it's the time to wash it off. I'm just gonna go and wash it off. I washed my face and to be very honest, I did not expect such a good result. My skin feels soft now and plump, you see. Plus, it looks dewy and I like it. I like this product. I'm definitely going to buy it. And very important, I am going to be using a toner. Excess makeup from my face that I just applied. I'm going to be using my favorite Miniso Rose Hydrating Toner and the Miniso Wax. It's going to take this much is enough. Whenever you remove your makeup and you think like a makeup remover and you guys think that it's okay and you don't have any makeup left on our face, that is really wrong because we still have some makeup left on our face because both of our reh jata hai makeup face. It's really important to use a toner. I use this toner like this a lot after removing my big face makeup. I don't use it as a toner, but sometimes when I feel like I want to clear my skin and I want to remove any makeup that can be on my face, I just use it, and believe me, every time I see some makeup coming on like the pad, it's really surprising because you can't see that you have makeup on your face and you can't see even any residue you can't see. But when you use this cotton pad, you would be like amazed because you definitely would see makeup. Let me show you now. You guys see? Definitely has some makeup on it. Okay, now I really want to use this Essence Hello Vista 3-in-1 face mist. I really like it, but the deal with it is when I bought it, it was really good. But last year, when I used it, it made my face red and I got some sort of reaction. I was supposing that it might be the products that I've used, before using this. I'm gonna give this a go again because I like this product. See, I have used it, but let's just do it. और प्लस इसमें से गिरता भी है, so दूर फेस से रख के you see काफी सारा गिरा है. My face feels fine, but I don't know, I'm kind of scared of this product, but it's really good for your skin. Like watermelon mister is, I've heard it good. I'm just gonna moisturize my lips with the Moisturize Lip Balm. It's almost finished. My lips usually feel really dry when the winter is approaching, so it's really important for this to dry down, and then I'm gonna use 2 more products. Believe me, as soon as I'm done with this skincare session, I am going to rest. I would not edit, but I have to upload a video today. My head is hurting and I'm just gonna fix my headache first. Then I'm gonna do anything otherwise. I have so much head pain. I have such bad headache right now. I'm filming and the ring light is still on, so that definitely affects. Yeah, it's my work. It's what I do. Now for the remaining 2 products, I'm going to be using the aloe vera gel and vitamin E serum. These products, like, I'm not talking about like these 2 brands together. I'm just saying like aloe vera and vitamin E serum goes really well together. So I'm just gonna do like drops of each. This much of the aloe vera, and I'm just going to have 1 and 2 drops of the vitamin E. I heard that they're good for skin, like mixed together. Vitamin E, I feel like sometimes people say that vitamin E is not good for skin, but it definitely says it's good, and I have tried it. It is good for skin. It is good for reducing dark circles, anti-aging, wrinkles, and so on. Brightens the skin as well. So I am done. Done with the skincare. Hey guys, this is the result of the skin. I love it. I love how good it feels and looks. I'm just gonna go have a break, take some time off, and have some relaxing time all by myself because I'm so tired. But yeah, now that I feel good, I'm just gonna have a break. Update. You guys see this pink area? This is because of the Essence 3-in-1 Watermelon Mist. So I don't recommend you guys use this product because I used it 3 times. I tried it and I recommend you guys don't buy it because it gives this allergic reaction to me, and I don't know if it's gonna do the same to you, but I still have to say what like happens to me. So I don't recommend using this product because it burns and then it like makes the skin pink. Last time I used it as well and it made these pink spots on my face. Don't recommend this product, you guys. There are definitely very good misters from like other brands that are really good. So you can definitely try out those. Literally my 4th cup of tea of the day because my head hurts so much. That brings us to the end of this video. I was just working on 2 YouTube video thumbnails. After that, I was just watching some animal, jaguar, cheetah and the tiger documentaries. I love these cats. I just have something special in my heart for them. So I was just watching like documentaries. I have to film a really important video tomorrow. So I have to stop working now and I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm just gonna watch some series or maybe watch more documentaries and then I'm just gonna go to bed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.